Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi, guys. 4 stars Tectonic today. Yes, the last one. And I see not a lot of digits here. Yeah. The fourth and last puzzle of today is a Tectonic with 4 stars. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. The last one. Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes. Is it really a 4 stars? Well, I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 printed digits. Certainly a 4-star Sudoku. And this will be number 3064. Okay. Many times with the Tectonic, I've seen printed digits with 12, 13, 14, 15, but never below the 10, the 9. So we have a 9 printed digits. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yes. All right. So the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single boxes are always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single box always a 1. All right. Dual boxes, do we have a dual box here? Yeah, dual box. I do not know in which order the 1 and the 2, because it contains the 1 and the 2. And triple box, I see here triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. And if you see such kind of triple box, not this one with the angle, but well, if you see a triple box, then this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So only 4 or 5. Same like here in this triple box, cannot be here the 1, 2, or 3. So it must be the 4 and the 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. So this box should be a 4. All right. Okay, more triple boxes. Dual box. I've missed 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, more. Triple box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Quadra box. I see here quadra box. Here also a quadra box. If you see an L shape quadra box with 4 boxes, remember that this box is always a 5. All right. More quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or structures or constructions or figures. For example, here we have this kind of shape. Here, this kind of shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another 1. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, 1 or 2. 1 or a 2. Here another 1. Rotated. This box is the same number as that box. And then the following figure here. This kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Another figure. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. This shape. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. More figures or shapes that you need to recognize? No, those are the figures. only 3 figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more shapes or figures, for example the T shape or the L shape, but in this puzzle there's only 3. Alright, then the following stage. Let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, we have here those 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, so that box should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so this is not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 in this triple box, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Alright. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. In this dual box, I need a 1 and a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 5. Alright. Well, I have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. And that box in this area for the 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box should be a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 3 and the 4 in this area. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, quadra box. Those 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that that box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 5, that box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means, let me see, I have a double 1 here, but now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3 in this triple box. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2 or a 3 here. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I've marked this box with the 4 or the 5. These 2 boxes in this triple box cannot be a 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 2, no, the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3. That means that this box should be also a 1 and a 3. It's connected. But we see already a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. It should be a 3. Alright. So this box is connected with that box. Should be a 3. 1 box left in this triple box. A 1. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 4 or a 5. Cannot be a 2, so it must be the 1 or a 3. Yeah, 1 or 3. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2, 3, 4, 1 or 5. 1 or 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 2 or a 3. Cannot be a 5. Cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 4. Alright. Yeah. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, and in the same area cannot be a 4. So this box should be a 5. 1 number left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. This box can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. I think 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 4. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I've told you this box cannot be a 4 anymore, because I have a 4 and a 5 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 4 here. The 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be there. Alright. Yeah, this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 3 missing, 5 missing numbers now. I think. Well, this box should be a 5. No. 2 and a 3. Here cannot be a 3. 3. Okay. Let me think. This box can be 5. I think 2, 4. 1 and 5. No, here cannot be a 1. 2. Could be a 3. Well. Did I make the mistake? 1. Here cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2. So 1 digit left should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. It must be a 2 stars, because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, 9 printed digits. I thought I need 30 minutes or more. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Publish more of these kind of puzzles, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binary puzzles, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the medium, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.